Welcome back. My name is Theresa and I'm very much hands. Hi. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised, but if you're not into that or weird shit in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Ugh. Feel free to exit the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. We have a Look Fantastic box, y'all. In the month of December. It's like Christmas. Hi, how are you? Welcome. Welcome to Look Fantastic Unboxing. I love doing these unboxings because I just love, one, showcasing this adorable tablecloth. I know. And it sucks that I'm gonna have to put it away soon. So you know what? I actually want to hear from y'all. Send me links to adorable tablecloths because I have this one. I love this one, but this is probably only going to be really good for like November and December because there's no cute Thanksgiving ones. And I do have one Halloween one from Target, and then I kind of have like a spiderweb one, but I want cute ones. I want ones for like the winter and the spring and the blibbity blub, and I want it all. So if you know of really cute tablecloths, please let me know. Send the links my way because I want to get another one. So with that said, I guess we're here for this, right? Let's talk about this. I want to say thank you so much to Look Fantastic for sending this my way. Thank you so much for always sending me stuff. I really truly appreciate it. So Look Fantastic has hooked me up with another coupon code. If you use the code Theresa, you can get your first box for $10 when you subscribe to a 12-month subscription. That said, if you've never heard of Look Fantastic Beauty Box, you know, what can I say? This is a beauty subscription box that is probably, I would say probably one of the more disappointing ones. I hope for the best every month and I get let down every time, but sometimes they do surprise me. And I think sometimes their bigger boxes are definitely worth checking out. But when it comes to monthly boxes, they're a little bit all over the place. But I admire the fact that they continue to send these to me so I can continue to roast the shit out of them. So, thank you. This has been a great year, Look Fantastic, and I look forward to more roastings in the future. So let's open this up. In this box, you get this beautiful tissue paper that looks like it's been through the ringer. Okay, hold on. Oh yes, a silica packet, my favorite part of these boxes. All right. Okay, we got some stuff here. We don't have, Okay, so we don't have a little pamphlet thingy, so I'm gonna go look online to see if I can find one. Usually I get some sort of fucking thing, like a card or something. This time we got nothing, so all right, let's check it out. I'm gonna start with this thing. This I actually just got in the Look Fantastic luxury box, or the luxury beauty chest. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up in the corner. I don't remember being super disappointed about it. I think there were some hidden gems in there. But this I did get, and this is a satin sleeping mask, and I have not tried mine yet, so I can't tell you if it's wonderful or not. I'm not a sleeping mask person. I, quite frankly, can fall asleep like that very easily. If I put on, I'm gonna expose myself for a second here. If I wanna go to sleep really fast, there are a couple of videos that I like to watch, and I know you're probably gonna be like, really? But I'll tell you. So there's this one channel called Tastemade. It's a YouTube channel. They usually make really weird choices and how they do things. I sit and watch it. Now, will I ever eat any of the food that they showed me? No, I wouldn't even attempt to do it. Or I should say I wouldn't even have my husband Paul Giamatti attempt to do it. But there's something soothing about watching someone fuck up food that puts me to sleep like a baby. That, or if it's like a dark screen and it's just sounds of the rain and thunder. I'm out like that. Like literally, I could be mid-sentence and I'm like, I'm out. But lately it's been food videos. And sometimes there are other food videos they usually show from either like Korea, or sometimes they'll show like night markets somewhere in Asia. And those also put me to sleep. There's just something so comforting about watching someone make food. I don't know what it is. I don't know. But anyway, needless to say, I haven't had to try this because I fall asleep very easily. But I will say that they do feel very comfortable. But since I have one already, I will gift this to my best friend because he loves his beauty sleep too. The next thing is from, what is this? This is from Yikes, and this is a spotlight highlighter. So, okay, highlighter pencil in the shade Pearl. Okay, okay, interesting. I feel like this is kind of more of like a brow highlight, perhaps, but I kind of want to try it in the inner corner because sometimes I want to have a little bit of something in the inner corner, but sometimes shadow can irritate that part of my eye and then my eye starts to water. So I kind of want to see if this could be a nice little thing to try. I like it. Or I could kind of see myself putting a little bit on the lid too. All right, I'm not mad at this product. I'm actually kind of excited to try it. Wow, I know. Who the fuck am I? But anyway, this is in the shade Pearl. This is pretty cute. The next thing is a razor. Okay, so this is from Hollywood Browser? Browser, okay. Okay. Oh, I would not want to put that on my face. Okay. Oh, that is sharp as fuck. Okay, we're gonna put this little switchblade down. Fuck me. Okay. Anyway, so what is this supposed to be? Oh, okay, okay, okay. So it's supposed to remove hair and exfoliate. All right. So this is good for eyebrows, sideburns, peach fuzz, upper lip, chin, bikini area. God, imagine putting that near your puss. Ooh, fuck me. Fingers, toes, neck, hairline, ears, stray hairs. Ooh, I don't know. Ooh, this is scary, but the blade does feel very sharp. And, yeah, I don't know. I'd rather just take an electric razor to my face than to, to chew this little switchblade. I'll pass on this, but thank you though for thinking of me. Too bad I'm gonna be moving because if I were to be commuting in the city, this could make for a lovely weapon. Maybe I'll give this to my mom. Huh, okay. Merry Christmas, Mommy. All right, next thing is from Elemis, and this is like the same thing we get every goddamn time. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cleanser. It's fine, it's good. We like Elemis here. I'm just kind of tired of them literally just giving us the same shit over and over again. And this is just something that's like it's a fine product. It's just not a fuckable product. You know what I mean? All right. And, ooh, this I like. I love Lottie London. And this is, what is it? This is a little ombre blusher. Oh, it's such a pretty color. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 bitch. I love it. I think Lottie London is a fantastic little brand, and I only have really just tried their blush products as well as some eyeliners, if I'm not mistaken. The eyeliners weren't bad, but I really love the blush products. It kind of reminds me of Essence in a way. Super pretty, so love that. Okay, so I'm kind of like 50-50 with this box. And then the last thing to, you know, make me sad. We have the Star Skin Gold Eye Mask. Okay, these are, you know, more eye thingies. All right. I recommend to use once, twice a week. Start with clean, dry skin. Remove, okay, it's a fucking eye mask. Like, there's nothing like super amazing about it. But these are the Revitalizing Luxury Gold Foil Eye Masks. So like, ooh, okay. And it's 83% Rose of Jericho. Don't really know what that means, but that kind of sounds like fun. So, okay, so this is what you get in December's month. This is fine if I didn't get it in the beauty chest. So I'm kind of like, all right, whatever, who cares? Elemis, I feel like I get this product every 2 months. Just stop with this. Pick another Elemis product or, I don't know, another brand. That'd be kind of cool. This I'm actually intrigued to try, especially as like a little spotlight highlighter. Like, that sounds like a really cool thing. So I'm excited to try this. Love the Lottie London. This is gonna make for a nice present for my mom on the subway. And this, I'm like, all right. Sure. Although I do love the gold packaging because it kind of reminds me of Willy Wonka. And I'm like, I got the golden ticket. So I kind of like that about it. Everything else can kind of, you know, whatever. It is what it is. So this is December, and you know what? I have to say, probably one of the better boxes that I have received this year. I have received fucking doozies, okay? Doozies. This one wasn't bad. There were at least a couple of products in here that I was just like, all right, I could fuck with this and I could make it work. So in any case, this is the Look Fantastic box. Let me know down below if you do get this box and if this is what you received or if you got something different. And yeah, let me know your tablecloth recommendations because I need more adorable ones. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really gross, really disgusting garbage boat afloat. Couldn't do without you. I love your adorable little delicious faces, and I just want to gobble you all up. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little cupcakes tomorrow. Bye!